Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy Jojo, and you're welcome to my channel JojoConnect. On this channel, I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. In today's video, I want to show you how to add the battery saving mode to your control center on your iPhone. If this sounds to you like a video you'd like to see, then you want to stay back and watch this video. Okay guys, you're welcome back. Like I said, I want to show you how to add the battery saving mode to your control center on your iPhone. This is the control center, and then I do not have my battery saving mode on this control center. So what I want to do to add the battery saving mode to this control center is to go straight to my settings, and I'll just go ahead and go straight to the control center. And then, as you can see, these are the icons that I have on the control center: the touch, the timer, the calculator, and the camera. So there are more controls you can add here. So what you need to do is to look for the battery or the low power mode, and just tap on this plus sign here, and that automatically adds it to your control center. So let's go to the control center and see what we're talking about. So as you can see, we have the low power mode on the control center. So if I want to activate it, I just tap on it, and then it's now on low power mode, thereby saving you the battery. It's easy this way. As you can see, it's at the bottom here, but if I want to move it to the top part of this control center, all I just need to do is to go straight to the control center again, and I'm just going to, now as you can see, the low power mode, it's right here at the bottom, but I want to put it ahead of the torch. So you just click on this side and drag it up, and that takes it up. Yeah, so let's go back to the control center. Now you can see the power saving mode is at the top of the control center, as you can see right here. Now there's another thing I'd like to just let you know as a bonus to this video. My phone is actually on silent mode. Sometimes you can find it difficult to actually know how to remove it from the silent mode. So for example, if I go to my sounds, now you see if a call comes through, it's going to be showing silent mode over there. It's going to be showing silent mode. It means it's not going to ring out whenever a call comes through. So to remove this is very simple. All you just need to do is to go to the side of your iPhone. Just go to the side of your iPhone right here, where you have these three buttons. You have these three buttons here. This is the volume. This is the volume button, the up and the down. But this button here, all you just need to do is to switch the button up, and automatically the silent mode is off. So let's go back to the ringtone now, sounds. So you see the silent mode is now off. As you see, the silent mode is now off. So that's simply the trick to that. It's as simple as that, instead of you looking for it in your settings. It's just this button here, this button right here. All you just need to do is switch it up, just switch the button up, as you can see. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you will know when I drop a new video. Thank you.